Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, hi, I am Anshu. I create content around beauty, and if you are interested in such videos, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share with my video with your friends and family. And let's get started. So as you can see, I have a lot of empties, so I thought why not, let's just share my empties and I will give you a mini review of how I feel about this product. So let's just get started. So the first product, as you can see, is the very famous Biotique morning nectar not face wash, it is the moisturizer. And if you are someone with dry skin, I will highly recommend. I have dry skin and I have also used this underneath the base for my makeup. It just really moisturizes and hydrates your face in the most beautiful manner. As you can see, I have two empties, literally two empties. This one is the bigger size. I don't know how much they retail for. I will definitely mention them in somewhere. So this is the bigger bottle, this is the smaller bottle. Now me and my brother both use these, so these guys empty really fast, and we use only on our face, but still they get empty really fast. So if you have dry skin, I will highly recommend you these moisturizers. I have always bunch of backups lying around of this moisturizer. I never want to run out of it. Okay, so now again we have a Biotique product. This is their Bio Sandalwood SPF 50 plus UVA UVB sunscreen. So this is a really good sunscreen lotion, and I think this is the same moisturizer with sunscreen. I don't know if I'm correct or not, but this really hydrates your face and provide that SPF. I always wear it during the morning. It's my go-to staple sunscreen, and I think for daily use it is quite nice. Now again, oh my god, again I have a Biotique product. So this is their night cream. As you can see, I've used it so much that all the imprints are gone. So this is their night cream, and this is like ultra hydrating. I can only, even someone like me who have dry skin, then also I can use only this in winter. In summers I will take the teeniest amount and use it. It's really hydrating. So if you want just hydration, nothing else, I don't think so this does anything else than hydration. So yeah, it's a nice hydrating cream. As far as night cream, I don't see any benefits other than hydration, so cannot comment on anything else than that. But for hydration, it is a good cream. Okay, so now we are over with Biotique. So we have this Himalaya face pack. This is the neem face pack. As you can see, nothing is left. I squeezed it, I've tried to squeeze as much as I can. Now use it two times as a face pack, and I have a lot of acne issues. So what I do is take the tiniest dot, and wherever I have, like I have acne right now here and here, so I will take that, and I use this as a spot treatment, and it really calms my most painful acne. If I'm having a painful acne in the middle of the night, I can go wake up and just apply it, and it really is helping in calming the acne. And if you have acne issue, I think this is a must have. I always have so many backups of this because I don't want to run out of this. And I will put the price here. I always put the price here, yeah, here, so you can check out the price. This is really affordable. I think, yeah, 190 rupees, but I definitely got a huge discount on this one as well. I always buy makeup and skincare on good discounts only. Okay, so now we have the last skincare. This is the Wadi Renewal Therapy Orange Lip Balm, and it is the best lip balm under what, 50 rupees, 60 rupees, don't remember the price. I will link here. So this is the, as you can see, the smaller tube, like 4 ml, 6 ml, can't remember, but they have a bigger jar as well. I will recommend you to get the bigger jar because this is so good and so hydrating. If you have dry lips, this will be your best friend. And this has claims like this will help in depigmentation, as this is like orange, so such things help in pigmentation. Cannot claim about that because I have not used this like for months and months. In 1.5 months it was gone because I have really dry lips, so it was natural. It stays for 2-3 hours. The moment you will have anything, this will go away. So what I will recommend you is get the bigger tub, but this stuff is really good, and cannot believe this one was for rupees 60. Again, now only two makeup antis. So this is the Faces Magnet Eye Kajal, and as you can see, it's nothing is there. Can I swatch it? No, nothing is coming. So this is a really good black kajal. Now I have dry skin, I don't have oily lids or as such watery eyes, so any kajal will stay on my eyes. So cannot comment like if it's like really long, longevity wise. On me stays for the whole day. Any kajal will stay. Right now I'm having the blue Heaven blue kajal, so any kajal will stay, and I run out of kajal like anything. So yeah, we have another kajal empty. So this is the NY Bay, and this was like 60 rupees, 70 rupees. Now they have increased the price because this product is so bomb, and yeah, they will increase the price, right? So now this is 90 rupees, but still on sale it was 50 rupees. So बात वही है. So this one is so good, you guys. मैंने नया मंगा लिया है. will ये वाला ड्राई हो गया है. So the thing is that if you have retractable ones, they will dry out, and this I have it for 2 years or so, so this will dry out if you will not use it on time. So what I will suggest, only use one at a time, because I have to shoot videos and I have to show different brands. That's why I have to open every kajal mascara. But if if you are not a YouTuber, then only use one at a time. It is dried out and it was jet black. I will show you in my upcoming hauls. I have a new packet. It is jet black, really long staying. I got I was in gym and it didn't smudge, so it's really long lasting and smudge free. But again, I have dry skin, so I don't have oily lids, watery eyes, so I cannot comment on longevity wise. Any kajal stays on my eyelids. So yeah, that's what just a short video where I want to show you my empties. I hope you like this video. If you do, consider subscribing, hit the notification bell, hit the like button, share with your family, friends, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.